Hello guys, I'm taking a video on my mom's phone right now, but not any video. I'm taking a video on my mom's phone because I have a YouTube channel now. And once I upload this video, it should come to everyone. So I'm going to be testing all these rooms individually. So, what models do you have, you ask? We have a 530, Eufy Rover 12, and a Roomba 890. Oh, these two are Roombas. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be testing. Mom, why is the phone light on? Oh well. So as I was saying, we're gonna test each of them. Okay, that's the first Roomba done. Okay, I'm not gonna do this Eufy. I'm just gonna do a regular clean for you because this does not offer spot clean. Okay, now let's see the Roomba. This is the 890. Let's bring it to the kitchen. Okay, sit right there. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that happens so. That happens so Roombas. I just forgot to do it. Now I'm just gonna do a regular clean with my Eufy. As you can see, the docks are over there because the Roombas kept and my Eufy kept bumping me, keep setting them up. Okay, so I'm over and they have switch. Put it on. Oh, we also have that robot over there. I'm not gonna do on that one yet, but I will sometime. Okay, go back, Eufy. Eufy. all of them for a regular clean. So let's turn all of them off. Then we have Eufy, switch, turn that off. And then for the Roombas, you just hold down the button until the lights are just off. Okay. Now the A90, switch. Perfect, there we go. Now we're gonna line them up. There we go. Actually, I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, why not? I'll do it. Actually, I shouldn't. I actually didn't do it. Now I have to start them up. So now we're going to be testing the individually regular cleaning. What are you doing? What are you doing? Also, I am going to do another video tomorrow, but it's going to be a different video. Thank you very much. Oh gosh. So again, let's turn them all off. So first we're going to start with 5:30. Oh God. Let's see it. Guess you can't see it.